Hello and welcome. Today we're going to do the change of base formula. But before that, do you remember the story I told about having US dollars in Japan? Like imagine you're on vacation in Japan, but you have a lot of US dollars, you don't have any Japanese yen, you try to pay US dollars, but they don't accept it. What do? You go to a money changer to change into the new base currency. You change to a new base, yes? So when you go to the money changer, you'll definitely see a display board where they show you the exchange rate. In this case, it is 1 to 116. So $1 US exchanges for 116 Japanese yen. So rate is kind of like ratio, so you can kind of see the ratio here. Okay, but I'm going to write it as a fraction. So it's 1 over 116 or 116 over 1, depending on what are you changing to. Are you changing to Japanese yen? From USD to Japanese yen? Well, you want to use this ratio. If you're changing from Japanese yen to US dollar, then you want to use this ratio on the left. Okay. Likewise, when you're changing the base of log, it is also a fraction. It is also a fraction because at a deeper level, if you've been doing log for a long time, you know that the change of base actually is a comparison of certain ratios. Okay, so here you go. Okay, if you no longer want to binary for life, you're like, okay, no longer 2 is no longer my favorite number, I like 10 now. Okay, then write your fraction in terms of log base 10. You see on top and below, log base 10, the green one. Yeah, then the next thing that the calculator will prompt you for is, hey, log base 10 to what? Okay, and this is where I'm going to tell you the change of base formula. Blink and you'll miss it. Okay, number on top goes on top, number below goes below. Voila, that's it. That is the change of base formula. It is like so easy. Now that you kind of know that it's a ratio, it is a fraction, and you want to write it in terms of your new favorite base, then it's just a matter of number on top, numerator, number below, denominator. Okay, so what that means is that log base 2 of 48, something that we could not previously calculate on a calculator, we can now, because our calculator can handle log base 10. So this is what you want to input into your calculator, LG48 over LG2. On my calculator, it looks a bit different. Let me show you. And you press equal, what you get is 5.584962.501. If you want to compare that with what we worked out early on in the previous video on Python, it is actually the same answer. Just that Python gives you more decimal places more accurately. Okay, so just a quick revision again, right? What happened, because it was so fast, right? We only into like what, 2 minutes into the video, I think. Okay, so let me go through one more time. Think of the change of base as changing money, right? You have a ratio, right? A ratio of fraction. So you also want to do that, right? You no longer like 2, you want to work with, say, base 10, then write your exchange rate in terms of base 10, right? Log base 10, and then number on top here, right? The bigger number here goes to the numerator, this one goes to the denominator, and that's it. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Catch you on the flip-flop.